At Deljo, our mornings begin with one goal in mind: taking care of the people of our community. Since 1922, that goal has remained the same. Because for our people, a successful day is one that ends with a satisfied customer.
Of course I can help you with that.
It's easy to find fulfillment when you're proud of what you do. Through training and dedication, we serve our customers and celebrate our achievements along the way. We're known for our expertise in heating and cooling. But our proudest moments are the ones that come after a handshake and a smile. That's the Deljo difference.